The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. The perfect duo, fresh ginger and bean sauce, perk up this stir-fried fish. For the snappiest flavor, look for fresh young ginger. Main ingredients: flounder or other white fish fillets, thinly sliced, 1 pound. Fresh shiitake mushrooms, stems discarded, caps sliced into thin strips. 3. In fresh ginger root, peeled and cut into thin strips to yield 1/2 cup. 3. Aromatics and oil. Oil, 3 tablespoons. Garlic, minced, 3 cloves. To 2 finger-length chilies, deseeded and cut into thin strips. 1. Seasonings and sauce. Hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon. Chicken stock or 1/8 stock cube dissolved in 1/4 cup hot water, 1/4 cup. Fish sauce, 2 teaspoons. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Freshly ground black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon. Garnish, spring onion cut into lengths, 1 sprig of coriander leaves, as desired. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Prepare the ginger. Peel 3 in a fresh ginger root and cut it into thin strips to yield about 1/2 cup. A spoon works well for peeling ginger, it scrapes away just the skin with minimal waste. Slice the peeled ginger thinly, then cut each slice into fine matchstick strips. Step 2. Prepare the mushrooms. Take 3 fresh shiitake mushrooms. Snap off and discard the tough stems. Slice the caps into thin strips matching the ginger in size, so they cook evenly and distribute their earthy flavor throughout the dish. Step 3. Mince the garlic. Peel and mince 3 cloves of garlic finely. A sharp knife and a pinch of salt on the cutting board help break the cloves down into an even paste. Step 4. Slice the fish. Thinly slice 1 pound of flounder or other white fish fillets. Cut against the grain into pieces roughly 1 1/2 to 2 inches wide, thin enough to cook through quickly in the simmering sauce without falling apart. Step 5. Prepare the garnish and chili. Cut 1 spring onion into lengths for garnish. If using chilies, deseed 1 to 2 finger-length chilies and cut them into thin strips. Set aside. Step 6. Prepare the chicken stock. Dissolve 1/8 of a stock cube in 1/4 cup of hot water or measure out 1/4 cup of prepared chicken stock. Have it ready near the stove, as the cooking moves quickly once you start. Cooking steps. Step 1. Heat the oil. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a wok or large skillet over medium heat until the oil shimmers and just begins to ripple. Step 2. Stir-fry the aromatics and mushrooms. Add the minced garlic, julienne ginger, and sliced shiitake mushrooms. Stir-fry for 2 to 3 minutes until fragrant and the mushrooms begin to soften and release their aroma. Keep the ingredients moving so the garlic browns evenly without burning. Step 3. Add the hoisin sauce. Pour in 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce and stir-fry for a few seconds, coating the aromatics. The hoisin adds a deep, sweet savory backbone that distinguishes this stir-fry. Step 4. Add the stock and bring to a boil. Add 1/4 cup of chicken stock and bring the mixture to a boil. The liquid will loosen the hoisin sauce and create a light braising base for the fish. Step 5. Add the fish and season. Stir in the thinly sliced fish pieces. Season with 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Simmer uncovered for 3 to 5 minutes until the fish is just cooked through and opaque. Do not overcook, the thin slices need only minutes. Step 6. Finish and serve. Add the chili strips, mix well, and remove from the heat. Transfer to a serving platter, garnish with spring onion links and a sprig of coriander leaves, and serve hot with steamed rice.